Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today I am participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge that is being hosted by the lovely Hilary over at Old World Home. Now this is a seasonal challenge that she hosts for the last few years, and I have participated in it too many times to count now. But what she asked us to do is to take just $5 and go to your local thrift store, resale store, garage sale, yard sale, basically anywhere that you can purchase secondhand items for just $5 and bring that piece of decor in to decorate for the season. So we are in the summer season and I went to my local thrift store and found these two beautiful very ornate pieces that I actually didn't know what they were. It's been suggested that they are planters, they are candle holders. I just fell in love with all the intricate detail on them, and they came as a set for two at $5.99. However, if you know me, I love to thrift and I never buy anything unless it is an extra percentage off. And so they were, I thought, 50% off, but once I looked at my receipt, it was 25% off my entire purchase. So I am in love with all of the hearts that are connected detail on it, all of the actual coloring, and I'm not sure if my camera's picking it up. It's like a rub bronze over a black, and they are metal. So I don't know exactly where I'm going to place these in my house, but I am going to style them in more than one way for you guys. I think they look great like this, and you could put candles or a potted plant in them. You could actually use them as a basket and put fake fruit, or line them with something and put real fruit and stuff to set out in them, like put a little dipping bowl for a tablescape or something. Though I also think you can turn them over and use them as like little stands for a plant or home decor. So let's get to styling and I will show you what I think I might do. Is my final look, and I have to say I think it turned out quite cute. I just included my IKEA plant, which is sitting in a coffee cup inside of it with a little butterfly on it, and a LED white candle that came from the Dollar Tree, and put a Dollar Tree succulent into it. I also have my little bird that came from a little shop here in Michigan, and I think it makes for a little cute vignette. So I want to thank Hilary so much for including me again. I will link her channel down below along with the playlist of all the other participants in this challenge. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here yet at Lacey Space, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacey Space, the same way that it is spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye loves.